Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we unlock the secrets to financial success and empower you to make smarter money decisions. Today, we're diving into a topic that can change your financial future forever. The power of starting your investment journey at a young age. It's not just about growing your wealth. It's about securing your future and achieving financial freedom on your terms. We'll explore why investing in your 20s, 30s, or even 40s can lead to extraordinary results. So let's get started. But why is time so crucial when it comes to investing? Let's break it down with some real numbers. If you've ever thought, I wish I had started investing earlier, this video is for you. By now, you've probably heard the phrase, the best time to invest was yesterday. The second best time is today. And if you wait until you're 40, your investment will be significantly less. $297,000 by age 65. Whether you invest in stocks, bonds, real estate, or a combination, the earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. That's a massive difference of over $200,000 just from starting at a younger age. Some people think you need a substantial amount to start investing, but that couldn't be further from the truth. Even if your investment returns average only 5 to 7% annually, which is quite conservative, your money will grow exponentially over time. If you invest $20,000 at age 20 and it grows by 7% annually, you'll have around $30,000 by age 30 and $42,000 by age 40. But if you invest $40,000 at age 30, you'll still only have $42,000 by age 40. That means you earn more by investing earlier. Even with the same rate of return, a 7% return on a $10,000 investment is $700, a considerable amount that can make a real difference. You don't have to wait until you're wealthy to start investing. Investing is about making consistent choices, no matter how small the initial investment seems. As you progress in your career, earn raises and promotions, and receive bonuses, you can continue to invest. This approach can lead to substantial wealth accumulation over the years. Imagine you start investing $100 a month at the age of 20. By the time you are at 65, assuming a 7% annual return, your investment will grow to a staggering $1 million. That's the magic of compounding interest. Your initial investment might seem small, but over time it has the potential to skyrocket. Now let's shift the timeline a bit. If you wait until you're 30 to start investing the same amount, $100 a month, you'll end up with $587,000 by age 65. But here's the kicker. If you manage to double that monthly investment to $200 a month, starting at age 20, remember, the most important step is taking the first one. Start today and watch your future self. Thank you. We'll delve into practical steps to start investing today. You'll have over $2 million by age 65. At 30, you'll have around $1.2 million, and at 40. These numbers might seem like a distant future projection, but the principle is crucial to grasp. You're probably wondering, how do I actually begin? Don't worry, we've got you covered. But first, let's address a common concern. Starting in your 20s or 30s provides a significant advantage. Let's look at the power of doubling. When you start your investment journey at a young age, you can use any extra money you have to boost your savings and accelerate your growth. By prioritizing investing early, you'll be amazed at how much your financial situation can improve, allowing you to enjoy the benefits of financial freedom well ahead of your peers. Ready to take action? We've compiled a list of resources to help you get started on your investment journey.